Listen, Henrich's a fantastic player. He had a great season last season, and I think everyone could see the improvement through the longer he was here, and how he adjusted to the league and playing for this club. He's got a big part to play for this season for sure, and hopefully for a long time, because he's a terrific footballer.